Good morning, beautiful. Welcome back to another weekend vlog. So today, it's Saturday in a very raining weekend. The rain started on like Thursday night and never stopped. I wish today the rain gonna stop so it won't flooding around all my house, So what we do today would be mainly at home. We will do some nails together. And I will show you something interesting, like my makeup organization. I have a lot of skincare there. I put it around and where my makeup be. I only have one drawer. I actually don't have a lot of makeups, as you imagine. And I will show you how I do a dog DNA for my little pet, because we still don't know what exactly breed she is, so we bought a cheapest one to try. Or just hope when we do it, it won't have like just tell you 50% is unknown and 30% is Chihuahua. That's it, and will be fail. We'll see what happens. I will show you that. Let's have a good rainy weekend together. Breakfast number one, it's like a grain milk mixed thing. It's like a very thin cereal, and like I'm boiling some eggs later. I can show you. I will eat that as well. Outside still raining crazy, and our garage is a bit flooded. Here's some photos you can have a look. So wish the Brisbane rain can settle down a bit, otherwise it's gonna be so bad. Because the garage actually is just in the car park that all the cars is all parking around it. So if my garage have a little bit of water, it's okay, so the stuff is all on the shelf, but all those cars can't even drive out if it's fully flooded. Yeah, it's such a bad weather. Now we decide to do some nails. So I use the Ciate, the gray sheets. Now I used the ones, still have a lot of left. It's quite big for my nails, so I just try to trim in the front and cut a bit on the side so I can use another time. My nail, it's easy to chip these days. I don't know why, but I will try to cut it shorter so it won't won't chip very quick. So first find the one that you think it fit your nail. It's a bit hard for me, so I just use randomly and cut later. So the smallest, you see the smallest even bigger than my smallest. That's the issue. I'll just peel this one off. Oh, will work. Stick it on here. See, it's even good for this finger, the smaller one. So you just up, stick.
Right now the Bulls don't do so well anymore. Fighting against these watchers and picking up the other side. But the rich Nova does hurt.
That's fine.
Teana doesn't have boots. These boots have been hugely helpful for him. Leading him now and getting the right attack has started. It is a full minute behind Yonder. See what they can do.
So I will say you can use that.
Good experience on the list. Pretty close to the four.
Just do that.
Very strong in semi-minus Spain. That's the only issue that then
Just pull it out, see?
That's the idea. You don't have a
That's all. Not too bad, right, guys? See? Oh. So I still have those bigger ones left. I might put on toes one day, I don't know. Otherwise I'll waste. So here it's the way that I just quickly done my nail. Do you like it? There's a lot of brand that they're doing those nail sticker stuff online. I saw on Instagram and so on Facebook. Well, this one I just got from Mecca. They have the Ciate one, which is easy to get it. Okay, this is one part of my weekend doing nail session. Now I will show you something later. Fast time now. I have so many bathbombs, so I gathered the spaghetti, some lush. I bought so many lush in Christmas time. then I never need to buy it one because I don't really use bath that much in summer. So now I need to slowly use it. Now let's show you how it's melting in the bath. Talking about lash product, why I show you a gotham hat which feels so good, and they have stuff in the middle. It's just way too big. So now I didn't really use it. And I have some other ones here. As you can see, there's other stuff in. I have the apple coming out. I have the apple or peach or something. That's also very good looking. Even the Halloween stuff, I still have a very scary one here. So once I bought, I will spend a while to finish it. Those ones, it's all the soap is already soaked. But all of them, they're either a purchase or it's samples they gave while I purchased. But now Lush Australia changed. They don't do social media now, so it's hard to know what's new in them. And when I buy stuff last time, they didn't give me any samples, which is a pity. I will just use most of the bath bomb here, then I'll buy more later. Give Lush a break because I don't know what Lush do now. So here it's the whole haul that I have for my skincare stuff. So the tray I have here, it's a Kmart tray. It's all the big ones I have to manage to use. This includes hand wash, what? No, face wash, face cleanser, some toner, and some face cream. Yeah, that's all that. Oh, of course, have some oil here, and on the side here, it's something for my mosquito spray. Ignore that, and some samples here. Inside, I have few sun cream I left, which I won in 2019 from some competition, but I still have a lot because I still have a lot to use. I have my Barbie dolls put in the back, which is funny, and also some Avene kind of spray, which I have one in my toilet. This is the extra one, so I have some spray in the back, and the mini face remover, makeup face remover. I have another big ones haven't finished, and I have some mini samples here, like the Kiehl's one. I have some from subscription box, some gel, some other ones on the side. Yeah, that's all I have. So not much. Oh, excuse about the noise in the background, it's crazy. Anyway, that's all I have to finish, but still quite a bit for me. They should not include all the perfume and crazy candles I have on the top. I bought a lot, mainly Bath and Body Works, and some of the in the back have 2 hourglass and some Kmart one. I have a candle collection videos. If you're interested, you can have a look at the candle collection videos. Right after the video I make for my weekend vlog, there's a big flood coming for Brisbane. So many houses under the water. It's such a disaster. So here it's the footage I have after that weekend that we found a frog in our garage and also how we released it.
Hello, Mr. Froggy. This is his new home now.
Yeah, ready for you to put the frog out. We found the frog in our garage after all the flood dry off, so just try to find a water field can leave the frog outside around this area. Come
Let
on,
it go out. He's trying to stay in there now.
don't stay in.
Oh, he's trying to hide in there.
Uh-oh, it's hiding in my boots now. Great. Yay, froggy's out. Hi, you froggy. You can go to the water now. See you, froggy. Get the DNA test for my twinkle ready. Put the name and the mail date, gonna be tomorrow. And here's the swap.
So many barcodes. 6.
In case you
We only
lose
need
it.
one, don't we?
I don't know. Maybe you need to put one on the tube.
Alright, I'm gonna read how to do it.
Here have the barcode sticker.
Twinkie's gonna help. Come on, Twinkie. You can help read, huh? Come on. Come on.
Read with steady.
Girl, come on. Come read with me. What does it say? Collect your pet's DNA. Alright. You want to scan the barcode? And we can watch the video?
Sure. Time for putting the teeth. Try not to bite, Daddy, even you don't have any much teeth.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi,
Don't move.
3
Hold her.
Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi. Look at her face.
Alright, one down. There's more. Need to go.
You see her face? She's not much of a fan. Come here. Sorry.
Poor
that's it.
Twinkie.
Open up. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Mississippi. Wait,
Oh, don't eat it.
come here. Sorry. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
Poor little Twinkie, not comfortable, eh? We're gonna finish soon. Give you big snacks, okay?
There you go.
Okay, that's it, Twinkie. I wanna know what kind of Chihuahua are you? Hope they don't tell me 90% Chihuahua and 1% nothing. Thanks for watching all the vlog. Hope you like and enjoy all the little footage. Love the DNA dog test. Look a bit struggling and painful for my little dog. I feel her pains. Hopefully the thing we did can work out what kind of breed she is and didn't waste all the rub in her little mouth. And I will like the self-care kind of mini vlog during the raining weekend and the frog release moment. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like and leave some comments down below. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.